Yes guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are just going to have a brief introduction onto Microsoft PowerPoint. So normally Microsoft PowerPoint is used to make presentations like during trainings and educational materials and sales pitch deck. Yep. So during some people are just given assignments like during lectures, and then you have to present. So your advice to use Microsoft PowerPoint just to make your points succinct and to make things easier for you to list your whole documents into point type documents. So let's start with how to find Microsoft PowerPoint. Like, how can you get Microsoft PowerPoint while using your computer or PC? So all you have to do, like, to make things simple, you just move your pointer. You move your pointer to the space on the desktop, like a clear space on the desktop. Then you right click, and after right clicking, all you have to do is just tap on the new option on your menu. Then it give you another sub menu, and so on this sub menu you just go there to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You tap. So here, like the first time you tap Microsoft PowerPoint, it will give you a chance to rename your document. So here you can rename it. Let's just put PPT. Enter. So now we're good to go. We've already renamed it. But in case you fail to rename it earlier and then you're not given the opportunity, all you have to do is just, let me first remove this. Sorry for that. So all you have to do is just bring a pointer, select it, then right click. So it will give you a number of options on the menu, but you just come down here, then rename. So we've given it another name. So let's go inside. So let's open our PowerPoint. So here we've opened our PowerPoint. Remove this and this. So let me make it bigger. So now here we are. We've opened our PowerPoint. So this is our first slide. Now a slide will be, I'd like to just make it similar. Let me just say it's similar to a page. When you're using Microsoft Word, like your first page, when you just dive into PowerPoint, your first page, what should be your first page is your first slide. So it turns out that PowerPoint, we call them slides, and then Microsoft Word document, we call them pages. So this is your first slide. Now on the first slide, the first selected portion, like this box, let me just call it a box, is for your title. So in case let's say you're going to publish a presentation on pests, so your title is gonna be pests. So published by who? Here you can, on the subtitle, you can put your name. Published by. So that's what's supposed to be on your first slide, like your first page. So in case you want to insert another slide for the points that you want to put out during the presentation, you just come here, home, then select new slide. So when you select new slide, it will give you a number of options, like which type of slide you want. So in case you want a slide that should be table like, you're going to compare two stuff at a go, you choose this one for comparison. In case you want a slide where you want it completely blank, or you're going to import a photo, you can take this one. And then if you want a slide where you're going to pour your data, like the document, like the points that you want to present, and then you just need a title, then the points, you can choose this one. Yeah, so let's take this one. Yeah, so here we are. Control for paste. Let's see. So that's our title. So now here you can just, so on this lower one, you just outline your points, like paste control. How can you control the paste? Like slashing to grass, clearing, some as clearing bushes. So you outline your points. You outline your points on this lower box, and then if you're done with it and you want to insert another slide, you just come here, home, insert another slide. So you can also move these slides. You can make this third slide a number 2 or a number 1. Just drag it. So here we've made it our number 1 slide, but previously it was our third slide. Yeah, and the video is getting longer, but in case you want to insert a table, all you have to do is come to insert, then insert a table. In case you want to design your work, like design the page, you can come here. So we've designed our page, you can see, adding some designs. You want to add in some animations, all you have to do is come here, then select any word, look at the animations. Yeah, you look at that, you see that. Yeah, so if you're done with organizing your document, your presentation, when it reaches time for you to save, all you have to do is come to file, tap this, you come to save as. Let me just choose desktop. So I just want my document to just be on my desktop. I choose this. Yeah, I'll just keep the name, let it be Opio. And the save as type. The save as type is so crucial, because if in case you just save it as a PowerPoint presentation, you'll find that some versions of Microsoft you cannot open up your document, like the lower version cannot open up your document. So if you send your document to some people and then they find difficulties in opening up your document, they're trying to open and then the document just refuses to open, it's just because you used a save as type that is not compatible with their version. So all you have to do is come here, you select this PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation. Yeah, you choose this one here. So after choosing this, you just be clear and you'll be contented that your document will be accessed by anyone using any version of PowerPoint or any version of Microsoft. So after saving it that way, you just be sure that you're on the safer side. Yeah, so that's all for today, because I don't want to make a longer video. But then the next video will still be about Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll be talking about more features of Microsoft PowerPoint. So all you have to do is subscribe, and yeah, so have a nice day.